Hey, what's up guys? It's Dave. This weekend I bought a new boat. Well, it's new to me. It's a 1983 Skeeter. It needs a little bit of work, but overall it's in pretty good shape for its age. Today I'm going to be taking it out for the first time. This is going to be kind of like the start to my new channel, Northwest Bass Fishing. Fishing is one of my passions. I also love to refurbish and modify old fishing boats. So that's kind of what I'm going to be doing with this Skeeter that I got. I'm just going to be fixing it up a little bit. It's going to be my new fishing boat. I have another older boat. It's an aluminum boat that I just did some stuff to. I'll be showing that to you guys later on too. So that's kind of what this channel is going to be based on, is fishing and boats. So anyway, let's go check out the boat. I'll show you what we're working with and kind of go over a little bit of what I plan on doing, and then we're going to take it out. We're going to go catch some fish. Hopefully. So I'm out of my boat now. I'm just in the driveway. I haven't made it to the lake yet. Had a whole bunch of stuff to do this morning. Had to go get the license and tabs and everything for the boat and the trailer. I had to run over to the store and get some stuff so I could make the trailer legal, like some chains and safety straps, stuff like that. I'm almost ready to go fishing. But here, I'll kind of give you a little bit of a tour. Like I said, it's a 1983 Skeeter, so it's kind of old. I purchased it for $2,200 bucks. Got it on Craigslist. Got the front of the boat up here. Came with that trolling motor. It's an oldie, but it works. It's a 24 volt, 48 pound thrust Minn Kota with variable speed. The fish finder I installed yesterday. That is a Humminbird 597 HD DI, so it has down imaging. It's a nice unit. It's also got GPS. The feet came with the boat. This here is just some storage. This is a live well right there. Small live well, but it'll work. More storage. Big storage container here. This is kind of my legal box, I guess you would call it, where I keep my PFDs and fire extinguisher, noisemakers, some tools, rain gear, that kind of stuff. And this box here is where the batteries are. Here is another live well. And then the motor. 115 horsepower Mercury. Seems to run pretty good, but we'll see once I get it out on the water. Okay, let's go to the lake. So I haven't even left the house yet, and I've already noticed an issue. This boat doesn't have any rod storage. I mean, I knew it was going to be an issue, but I didn't know it was going to be this big of an issue, because that's not going to work. So I really got to figure something out. And that'll be for another day. Alright, let's go try this out. Holy crap, that is a huge dog.
What kind of fish you catch down here?
Bass?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What else?
Perch.
Really?
Yeah, perch, bluegill. There's a lot of trout in there too.
Oh wow. So you
And
guys
trout,
keep
too.
it or just keep it throw?
Catch and release.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Catch it, take a picture, and let it go. Alright, ready to launch.
Ready to go.
I don't know how well this is going to go because I've never done it before, but We'll see. See if it runs. Got one. Feels like a pretty decent one. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Woo, smallmouth. There we go. First fish on the new boat. And it's a decent one. It's a smallmouth. Got him right in his tongue. Right in his tongue. Look at that. There you go. New boat. It catches fish. It's not bad. I mean, it's a little pounder. It's not huge, but I'm happy about it. For the first fish on the boat, I'll take it. All right, there you go. Another one. Feels pretty decent. Woo! Airborne. Yeah, I love smallmouth. They just fight so hard. Snaggy snag. Thought it was snagged. I got a fish. Another one about the same size. They all got these weird little black spots on them. I don't know what that is. Oh, got him on the drop shot. Alright, so I'm back at home now. It's actually Thursday night. I went fishing on Monday on the new boat. My batteries died and everything, so while I was out on the water. After my batteries died, I did catch a few more fish. I actually caught the biggest fish, of course, typical. So anyway, I'll include those pictures, you can check them out. So when I got back, I wasn't able to film the rest of the video, so I'm doing it now. So like I said, it's Thursday night. I actually just got back from Bass Pro Shops in Tacoma. Tonight, I actually met 3 of the guys from the Guggen Squad. I met John B, Lunkers TV, and AP Bass, and they were super cool, really cool guys. Those guys are actually a big part of why I am now filming and editing again. Thanks guys, appreciate it. So anyway, I want to talk about the trip. It went okay. It could have been better, but it could have been worse also. I learned a lot about the boat, stuff that I need to do to it, like the motor, like you saw earlier. It didn't really want to start. I kind of had to sweet talk it a little bit, and it did eventually start, but it was difficult, so I'm going to have to probably do a tune-up on it or something, I don't know. The trolling motor, I had some issues with that because it just was set too loose. So every time I wanted to go just a little bit to the left, when I would hit the button, the prop would spin around and it'd want to throw me overboard. So that was kind of sketchy, but that's an easy fix. I can do that, no problem. The biggest problem though was the rod storage, or lack thereof. I've really got to figure something out, because having all those rods just laying in the bottom of the boat like that, that's not going to work at all. So, but I'm going to figure that out. Anyways, I'm going to keep on making videos. I'm going to make videos about the boat, all the modifications and stuff that I do to it, how I figure out the rod storage, you know, all that stuff. I'm going to keep making videos on fishing and a whole bunch of other stuff. So keep watching, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a YouTube channel, I'll do the same for you. And yeah, so just remember, Bass Lives Matter. Always practice CPR. Alright guys, see you next time. I can't do an outro like that. That's like John's outro. What should I do? Oh yeah, check it out. Forgot one thing. They signed the hat. There's AP there, Lunkers TV, and John B. Pretty sweet. I'm stoked about it. Anyway, we'll catch you next time on the next episode of Northwest Bass Fishing. See you later, guys.